Are you trying to make an extra money but not sure if you should start a side hustle or build a passive income? In the current economic environment where we are living under high taxation and a high cost of living, having an extra income can change your life. It could help you to pay off the debt, or it can help you to pay off your loan, your mortgage, or even it could help you to retire early. Many people mix up passive income and side hustle and they end up feeling stuck or making the wrong choice. In today's passive income series, I will explain what makes side hustle and passive income different. I'll also talk about some of the mistakes to avoid, and also I will talk about my personal preference of which is better in terms of building a long-term sustainable model. So what is passive income? Passive income is a very simple concept. You put in initial effort, creating a digital product, building a blog, creating a content, or investing in property. It generates income with minimal involvement from you. One of my personal advisors used to work as a pharmacist 20 years back in Edinburgh, and I met with him the other day, and he was trying to share his career journey with me. And he said that when he was working as a pharmacist, one day he thought that the financial model that he has chosen is not a sustainable model at all. He was really worried, and then he started deciding how he can diversify his income stream so that he can sustain a long-term financial success. And what he said to me was, he doesn't work anymore now. He reaps the benefit because he decided to start small by investing in property. From the profit, he invested into the next property. And thus he grew his portfolio over time, where he had multiple income streams from different residential and commercial property. And this is generating him a passive income where he doesn't have to spend any more time, or he doesn't have to work anymore. Because he said to me that he's enjoying his life in Dubai, in Morocco, or some other exotic locations. The point I'm trying to make here is that even if he's not actively working, he continues to earn money every month. And think of it as an effort to dig a hole, to plant a tree, but then with minimal effort of watering the plant, it keeps growing into a large tree. And this is my analogy, may not be the right one, but I thought it's better to explain in that way. I quite like it. Warren Buffett is one of the world's most successful investors. He famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This resonates with me every day. This is such a powerful message that if you understand the real meaning behind it, it is really life-changing, right? Because if you put this into practice, into your life, into your day-to-day activities, into your financial investments, it will really make a difference. So you need to start thinking about how you let your money grow and start investing and start having multiple revenue streams rather than depending on your one income stream. So I take it literally very seriously, and that's one of the reasons I'm quite fascinated about side income, passive income, side hustles, and that's the reason I've actually created this whole series to help you grow in your financial well-being. A side hustle, on the other hand, refers to any type of employment or business activity that you engage, and it's alongside your primary job and primarily to supplement your primary income. So the main difference is the side hustle can generate both active and passive income together. And then if you try to look at the active income, this is earned through the direct involvement in the work which you are trading your time for money. For example, freelance writing or tutoring, providing a food delivery service, all requires an ongoing effort and time commitment. I actually met with one of the cabin crew of one of the international flights here in UK. I spoke to him and he said to me, along with his day-to-day job, he provides food delivery service as a side hustle. So he actually goes on a bike and then delivers food across various addresses. And one of my friends, she's really a creative person, and she basically sells a lot of the products or artwork or crafts on Etsy platform. And she earns a decent amount of money. But again, the key difference here is they are trading their time, whether they are trying to do a food delivery service or whether they are trying to actually create a product or some kind of artwork or a painting by selling it to the Etsy. As soon as the product is out of the inventory, it's gone. So you need to create a new one to get another piece, another sort of income. And you're needing to wait for the sale of that particular product. So that's the fundamental difference between actively working on it, because you're spending time, you're actually spending time to create that product, to build that product, and once it is gone, you'd build another one. So there is questions about sustainability and how scalable it can be. So that's a perfect example of you actively trading your time for money. As I said, the side hustle could be passive as well. My favorite example here is Ali Abdaal, who started as an NHS doctor in UK, but he had a passion for content creation, and he started his YouTube channel back in 2017 as a side hustle. He's actually earning millions from AdSense revenues, brand sponsorships, but all these things takes time and a lot of effort initially, but he's reaping the benefits now. While both passive income and side hustle, in particular active income, has its merit for increasing your income, if you ask me which is your preferred choice, I will go with passive income, and I'll tell you why. So first of all, I think it's all about the freedom of time. So passive income allows you to earn money without you constantly trading your time. So unlike side hustles that require ongoing effort, passive income streams can generate revenue when you are not actively working. This frees up your time to pursue other interests. For example, maybe you want to spend time with family, or you need to focus on personal growth, or you want to do something which is your passion. Second point is scalability. So passive income has the potential to grow exponentially over time. For example, if you created, let's say you created a content, you created a digital product, or you have written an ebook. Once you write that ebook, you can actually scale that widely, because there could be a lot of purchase. You keep getting the royalty. Think about it as any author. Like, if you have written a book or an ebook, people will come and buy it, and you start getting your revenues, you start getting your royalties over time. Another example could be your investments can compound, your rental income can increase, and your digital product can continue selling without any additional work. The scalability is often more limited in active side hustles. So third point is financial stability. So by diversifying your income sources, passive income provides greater financial stability. So imagine the amount of time and the freedom you get. You can actually diversify on another project, on the next project, and that will give you, a much more better return economically over time. Or it could help you even when there's economic downturn. Some of these things can help you because you have now diversified your portfolio to multiple things. Because you're getting more time, you can actually invest that time to grow and do something else. So this is a very important point of passive income. The next one is long-term wealth building. So passive income is a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. And one of the reasons is achieving financial independence. So it can help you to reach retirement goals faster, create a generational wealth, and provide an ongoing financial support even after you have stopped working. Well, the last point is flexibility and location independence. So many passive income streams allow you to earn money from anywhere in the world. Let's say you are creating a digital product or you're writing an ebook. You don't need to spend any particular location. You're not bound to any particular location where you're going for a 9-to-5 job. You can be on an exotic island and you're writing an ebook. And that's the flexibility which passive income streams provide, right? You can be anywhere in the world, and it's up to you to choose where you want to actually generate the income from. Well, now that we have explored the key differences between side hustle and passive income, I hope this video helped you to clear the confusion where people use side hustle and passive income interchangeably. But which one is right for you? Maybe you are looking into a side hustle and make extra money now, or maybe you are thinking of building something sustainable and that pays off in a long run. Whatever is your choice, the most important step is to start. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, and the second best time is now. Start building your future today.